Microsoft VPL for Visual Programming Language is a very easy way to visually program applications. This is the interface of VPL, which is very simple to understand. VPL uses blocks, like this one, which represent services. You just have to link blocks together and set a few parameters to program an application. If you are looking for VPL on the web, search for Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio, as VPL is part of it. I'm now going to present the bridge that exists between VPL and the SimplyCube, which allows people to create realistic 3D applications with the simplicity of VPL. This is a 3D environment created with the SimplyCube using the toolbox. I'm going to launch this SimplyCube toolbox right now. So this is the tool we have used to create the 3D scene. I have loaded the whole scene here, but I'm going to add an object to it to show you how easy it is. With a simple drag and drop, you can add anything to the scene, like objects, lights, post-processing effects, etc. As you see, I can also move objects very easily. I just have to pick them and place them where I want. So now we have a 3D scene, and it's time to add a few interactions with Microsoft VPL. I'm going to close the toolbox without saving this modification and to launch VPL. There is nothing to set with VPL. It starts with a new project. For our 3D application, we first add the main SimplyCube block here, which is going to load the 3D environment we've just created. Then we add interactions. What we plan to do is to open and close a window of our 3D scene with the Xbox 360 pad. So I am using a SimplyCube motorized slider block here, which represents my sliding window. I had this third block to control my window with my Xbox pad. Finally, this fourth block will help me defining which buttons of the pad control my window. Let's say it will be A and B. I now have to add the right links to my VPL diagram. If it's the A button, I want to open my window. If it's B, I want to close it. That's why I set the values of 1 and -1 for my sliders. Here I precise that A and B correspond to a button action on my Xbox pad. And finally, I just need to precise that my sliders correspond to the window in my environment. That's it. We can run this diagram by clicking on the green arrow, which will load the 3D application. Here it is. When I use my Xbox pad, I can open and close the window of our 3D scene. That's the simplicity of Microsoft VPL, used for programming 3D applications. That was a simple example, but there are plenty of VPL blocks included in the SimplyCube. They permit to deal with realistic 3D graphics and advanced physics.